Good morning.
Good morning, welcome to Hampden. So check it out. The very first owners of this property were Scottish.
Were they?
Yes.
And when was that? How old is this?
So construction started in 1749.
Yeah.
They were complete by 1753. And if you think about it, the Scottish National Football Stadium is Hampden Park. So even the bricks, these were the actual furnaces for the making of the sugar here.
And if you have a look.
So Glenburg is a region in Scotland. You'll find the Scottish National Flower. These were fire bricks, specially made in Temper.
I even seen the name Thistle on one of them. Look at the names.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. History. Oh, it's so grand. This tree.
So this is a ficus. It's over 150 years old. And the building we were just in used to be the carriage room or the garage, hence the very big doors. So this building is also 271 years old.
So what do? You do the tours here?
Yes, I do. I'm a tour guide. This is where we end the tour, where we have our rum sampling. But check it out, even the roof is being held up by wooden pins.
So tell me a bit about the tour.
So the tour starts with a bit of history of the island of Jamaica, the history of this plantation. Then we do a tour of the factory. The factory is as old as I say, 271 years old. Then we have some lunch, and then we taste.
How long is the tour?
Approximately 2.5 hours.
And where can people find? Where are you located? Where is this site located?
So we are in Trelawney, and this is Hampden Estate.
Telephone number. Okay, Hampden Estate. You can book it online or give you a call.
Yes, you can.
The grounds, guys, is amazing. The peacocks is what's got me. The peacocks.
So we got 8 males and about 24 females. Yes.
Okay, let's see the shop. Okay.
And this is the gift shop, and of course you're with Shelly. Doesn't like cameras.
Hello, Shelley. Okay, so this is your famous. Tell me about the different types.
So our very first rum was Rum Fire. This is our flagship rum. But most of our business, even today, is like bulk sales. These are very limited editions, and they're of the age to vary. So these are age rums. This is a 9-year-old. We got an 8-year-old. We got a 4-year-old. And this is a special edition as a wedding present for a director.
Oh wow, there's only one, guys. I'm sorry, I've got that. That's it. No one's getting this one. This is impressive, honestly. Give us a call, One Stop Cultural Tours.
And I can also tell you that just everything in my gift shop is Jamaican made.
Okay, so give us a call, One Stop Cultural Tours Jamaica, or contact Hampton Direct to arrange a tour, a visit. If you have a look, there's just little bits of the gifts here. So yeah, give them a call and come and have a visit. The tour is impressive. What is there not to love about Jamaica? Is this the site?
Yes, it is. And that was a black and white photo which was colored in by an artist. So this is what the house used to look like. It used to have 2 chimneys.
Okay.
A hurricane damaged a section of the roof in 1911,
Yes.
and they re-roofed it.
And that's
They
where
took
we
it.
are.
This is where we are right now, and that's the
Okay.
house. And this is the factory.
What happened to the cattle?
They're all over. There's cattle all over. There's thousands of cattle.
Another
The property is
record.
8,000 acres.
Okay. All right, guys. Yes, give us a call, One Stop Cultural Tours, or reach out to Hampton to have a arrange a tour of this beautiful site. Hampton Tours Jamaica.